In this video, let us discuss formula weights. The formula weight of a substance is the sum of the atomic weights of the atoms in the chemical formula of the substance. So itong formula weights, ma-apply to sa iba't ibang klase ng substance. Pwedeng sa atoms, pwede rin sa compounds. Start tayo sa atom. The formula weight or FW of any atom is equal to the atomic weight of the atom. Yung atomic weight, makikita yan sa table of elements. Ayan yung number sa ibaba usually ng chemical name. Halimbawa, the formula weight of sodium Na is equal to the atomic weight of the element sodium. And sa table of elements, meron siyang approximately 23.0 AMU. So ayan yung formula weight niya. Ganun din ang chlorine. The formula weight of chlorine is equal to its atomic weight of 35.5 AMU. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa formula weight ng molecules or compounds. Formula weight is also called molecular weight when it is applied to molecular compounds, and they are called formula units when applied to ionic compounds. Halimbawa, calculate the formula unit of NaCl, sodium chloride, or the table salt. Sabi natin, formula unit, ganun din yan. Formula weight din yan. So the formula weight of sodium chloride is just the sum of the atomic weights of sodium and chlorine. According sa ating table of elements, the atomic weight of sodium is 23 and the atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5. Therefore, the sum is 58.5 AMU. Ayan yung formula unit or formula weight ng sodium chloride. Next, calculate the molecular weight of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. The formula weight of H2SO4, don't forget to take the subscripts into consideration. Yung hydrogen natin may dalawang subscript yan, so multiply natin sa dalawa. Tapos yung oxygen, meron yung subscript na 4, so multiply din tayo sa 4. At this point, you just have to look for the atomic weights of these elements in the periodic table. Ang atomic weight ng hydrogen ay 1.0 AMU, ang atomic weight ng sulfur ay 32.1, and ang atomic weight ng oxygen ay 16.0 AMU. And pag kinalculate, you'll get 98.1 AMU. That is the formula weight or the molecular weight of this acid. Next, calculate the formula weight of glucose, C6H12O6. So the formula weight of C6H12O6 is equal to, meron tayong 6 carbon, so 6 times the atomic weight of carbon plus 12 times the atomic weight of hydrogen plus 6 times atomic weight of oxygen. Again, check the atomic weights of each element in the periodic table. So you should get 6 times 12 plus 12 times 1 plus 6 times 16. And the formula weight of glucose is approximately 180.0 AMU. Calculate the formula weight of calcium nitrate, CaNO3 and then 2. Dito may konting trick. So meron tayong subscript na 2 sa labas ng nitrate. So madali lang yan. Pwede mo yan i-distribute. The formula of calcium nitrate is equal to 1 times the atomic weight of calcium and then plus 2 times the atomic weight of nitrogen. Kung titignan nyo, parang wala naman subscript yung nitrogen, pero meron yan, nasa labas, yung 2. Tapos yung oxygen naman, dahil may subscript yan na 3 sa loob, and then may outer subscript ka na 2 sa labas, so 3 times 2, that becomes 6. So that's plus 6 atomic weight of oxygen. Again, check the atomic weights sa periodic table. We have 1 times 40.1 plus 2 times 14.0 plus 6 times 16.0, and therefore the formula weight of calcium nitrate is 164.1 AMU. Next, let us discuss percent composition of element by mass. The formula is shown on the board. Percent composition of element by mass is equal to the number of atoms of that specific element times the atomic weight of element divided by the formula weight of the entire substance and then multiplied by 100%. So, apply natin to. For example, calculate the percentage of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen by mass in C12H22O11. By the way, that is the chemical formula for sucrose. First of all, we have to find the formula weight. So the formula weight is equivalent to 12 times the atomic weight of carbon plus 22 times the atomic weight of hydrogen plus 11 times the atomic weight of oxygen. Substitute the atomic weights. You have 12 times 12.0 plus 22 times 1.0 plus 11 times 16.0, and the formula weight is 342.0 AMU. Now, we can find the percentage of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Start tayo kay carbon. The percentage of carbon is equal to the number of carbon atoms is 12 because we have C12, and then times the atomic weight of carbon atom, which is 12.0 AMU, divided by the formula weight of the substance, 342, and then times 100%. Just get a calculator and you should get 42.1%. So ayan yung percent composition ni carbon. Next, the percent composition of hydrogen is equal to, so the number of hydrogen atoms is 22 times the atomic weight of hydrogen atom, which is 1, divided by 342, and then times 100%, we have 6.4%. Next, the percent composition of oxygen atoms. That is equal to, of course, we have O11, so that's 11 oxygen atoms, times the atomic weight of one oxygen atom is 16, divided by 342, the formula weight of the substance, and then multiply 100%. You should get 51.5%.